we're gonna talk about this thing. This is a JZX81, but it's special. It's got a funky story, and we tried to film it, but unfortunately it was really late, and so as you can guess, the lighting was really bad. So we chopped up all the footage into the most fun little clips and snips, and I guess I'll give that to you now. Our nighttime journey to go pick this thing up, and our little drive through Portland. It was pretty fun.
8:17, and work never stops.
You have a reason for this.
I'll try not to shine this in your face. What are we doing?
Welcome to today's video. We're test fitting some Serbs on the 240 at the moment. Check them out. They look like dookie.
If making Serbs look like shit, that takes some skill.
Yeah, I hate those.
Yeah. What the fuck are you doing here? No welcome inside.
Nice! Nice! Nice!
Jonas, has Cory told you about the history of this car?
Nope.
You should hear it.
Oh, it's so the car was built by the Cooney shop in Japan. They specialize in big bodies, and so the owner of the Cooney shop is a D1GP driver, and he built it for a fellow GP1 driver. I can't remember his name. It's on the back of the seat. So he had it for a while, and then it was shipped over to UK for a while. It was used over there, and then, a buddy of mine bought it, and then I bought it from him in Seattle. So
It's been on 3 continents.
Everywhere.
Yeah,
Man.
yeah. Like if you Google just red JZX, like this one's all over it, and you can see it all over on different tracks and stuff. Yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
I gotta cut
This thing's been on all the tracks, I'm sure. Like, this car's been at Evisu, dude.
Evisu car.
That's kind of wild. That's
What I was so curious. The Skyline had like some set of side skirts, and they were pink. And I was like, why are your side skirts pink?
You never know, man.
Like, where did that come from, huh?
Okay. So it's all flake. And then the Gretty's got their stamp right here where they serviced
no
it
way.
over there. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
fucking car is bomb.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. This thing's badass.
Yeah, it's cool. I want to keep it, so. The Koyo radiator from like 2008. The inside of the car is like a pearl white with flake all over inside too.
Here, I'll help eventually. There you go.
Okay.
First I'm gonna hurt, but eventually it'll help.
How nice was she?
She was so nice.
You're doing good work.
I would offer one of you guys a beer, but both of you guys are driving, so.
Yeah.
I'm not.
I didn't notice the license plate.
I love the
For a long
license
time.
plate, yeah.
It blends in pretty good.
Can you find the license plate, Coose?
Make this one, so the accumulator
Found it.
and the pump and everything.
1 beer, 1 bumper, and 2 potty breaks later, the wheels are on. This guy's having a great time. Hella flush.
Fitment, bro.
Hella flush, bro.
Hey, man.
Dude, my car's so low, can't even use it.
Right here. What just happened?
It's good, dude.
It's fine.
Shaking hands. There we go.
That worked?
All right. Yeah. get car home now.
See if you remember pulled in. It's like old times.
Oh wait, where? So, story of this thing is it was built in a shop in Japan, and it went through a couple of D1 drivers in Japan, and then it went to the UK where it did a couple of drift series, and then it came to Seattle where it was then picked up from Cory, and now it's in our hands, and we're gonna fix it, which is super sick and a whole lot of fun, and it'll make a lot of content for you guys to watch, which we're super stoked about. So thank you, Cory, for trusting us with your car. We'll do the best job that we can do.
Sounds sick.
Sounds like a fast car.
So, just so you guys understand a little bit more who Cory is the guy who I also got my trailer from. He's also the new owner of Wataru's old practice car. So, like, Cory's put a lot of trust into us with his cars, and that means a lot. And we appreciate it a whole ton, and like, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing.
We totally are, but man, it's weird, cause it's becoming regular that other people are having us work on their stuff, and that's cool, but I still feel like a clown.
Yeah, happens.
What do you do when you're not driving your drift car? Turn it into a coffee table.
You did that, not me. We got Cory's wheels back on his car, and we have the SDs back on the 240, and the 240's back on the ground. Coose.
Whoa, working on the car and you're filming. What a twist. So while we were bullshitting at Cory's house, swapping wheels and whatnot, he told us the story of the car and that it had a really cool paint job. Look at all that sparkle. Ta-da!
We moved the car into Dad's shop, and me and Coose are about to get working on it. But this video is gonna end here, and the next video will also start off here. So thank you guys for watching this one. I hope you guys are as interested in this thing as I am, because
it's gonna be here for a while.
It's gonna be here for a second, yeah. And it's gonna be fun. And then hopefully when the Skyline comes back, we'll be able to drive this thing and the Skyline and the 240 all together, and that'll be just a friggin' blast. So we're stoked.
Yeah, leave a comment if you want to see Coose drive the 240.
Leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're gonna do lots of body work. We're gonna fix lots of fiberglass, and it's gonna be a good old time.
Don't forget, ring the bell.
That too. Ring the bell. Ding.